Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can add money to your Cash App card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. First thing, you need to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. And once you're on this page, you need to click on the home icon or the building icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. On the other interface, you'll be directed to banking page, and on this page you need to click on Add Cash, which is in the top left corner of your screen. While adding money to your Cash App card, you must make sure that you've already linked a bank account, and right on this page you need to enter the amount that you want to add it to your card. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on Add. And in case if you have a multiple account linked to your Cash App account, then you need to select the bank account from where you want to transfer the money or add it to your card. After you're done selecting the bank account, there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it all, and if you're sure about it, tap on Confirm, and the money will be automatically added to your card through your bank account. And that is how you can add money to your Cash App card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.